Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this colorful nail foil in stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, the adhesive or glue for the foil. And I'm going to show you the foils. I'm using this colorful ombre foil. I love the colors. And then this holo foil. I wanted to use the holo too. I haven't used it in a while and I loved it. So what I did was I already painted my nails with the white polish, and then I'm going to apply that adhesive. Make sure that it dries fast, and if it's tacky or sticky, then it's perfect time to apply the foil onto your nails. And what I'm going to do is kind of a dry brush technique on my nails. I just loved how it is. Just, slowly apply it onto your nails carefully. Don't apply it completely because then your whole nail will be, covered with it. And you want to be able to put, different kinds of foils on it. And I definitely wanted to put this holo. I love this holo. It's so pretty and fun. Once I was done, I just applied some liquid latex, and that's just for easier cleanup with the nail stamp design. I find this really inexpensive on Amazon. It's like a body latex, but I use it for my nails. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Finger Angels A008 nail plate, and I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this abstract design. I recently found these plates on Amazon, and I really like them. They're cut really well, and they have a bunch of cool, different kind of stamp designs, and I love that about it. And I'm just going to apply it onto my nails, and I love how this design came out. It's really cool and abstract and fun, something I always love. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. If you have any questions about foils or anything like that, leave them in the comment section below. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.